To enable and use AI deepfake and voice cloning in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to Honor AI, and then you can scroll down to the AI deepfake and voice cloning detection. You'll be able to enable it right here, and then you can go for supported apps so that you know which apps will be able to use it. So app that supports AI deepfake detection, you can use Meet in my case. Of course, if you're using different apps, you may see them right here. And apps that support AI voice cloning detection are the phone in my case. And then when we go back, there's this little introduction, and when you're in the app that you want to use and it supports it, when it detects the voice, you'll be able to see the time capsule notification. Click on that notification, and that way you'll be able to activate the deepfake or voice cloning. And then you can bring up a sidebar to trigger detection if you're using the sidebar that is located right here, magic sidebar. I would recommend to put it on launch mode, the option on the left, which allows you to simply swipe it to call it out. And now if we go back right here, you can call this sidebar out, and that way you will see the cloning icon when you're in the app that supports it as well. Just make sure that you use those supported apps. And then there's press and hold the AI button to activate AI deepfake detection. If you have the AI button right here set to the deepfake detection, then you'll be able to click on the button that is located right here to also use it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.